whole fog going on. Water draining from up here. Blessing people, enough love. Right about now I'm trying to cut, I'm not trying but I'm cutting a drain because a lot of water coming out from the other side of owners and washing come down here every time rain come. And as you could see all about here, very soft. So I run a line and I have to get this drain on a run. So then when the water come, it could die like a stop off area for it. So it drain out from the soil, enter to the drain and go away to the main drain, go to down to the main drain. So that is what I'm doing there now. And you always want your drain to be on a slope. You don't want it to be flat because the water will settle, or high and low. You will have water, like water holes, water pools, or how they may say. So that is my mission today. Most time I will start from the main drain, come up to cut and then get it on the run, but I just decide to come here and just do it because I know what I'm about. So I'm here. So taking, so those who don't understand how to cut drains and so forth, at least you could watch and learn. On Hair and Life. You know, Hair and Life always bring it to you as soon as we could get it. As you could see how the farm is going, you know. We take a look around, that's up front. Working very hard. Always working hard. Me and my wife always at it, you know. We love all you and we want all you to know we love all you. So blessings. Completed people.
Blessings everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. Have an amazing day. We're gonna see you guys in another episode.